Now let's understand another feature of language, that is language is systematic. Now this word is very important. What is systematic, or to which thing we call systematic? Systematic itself means that there is a proper organization, and in that proper organization the elements of that organization work with each other in proper coordination. So what are the elements of language? Elements like speech sounds, words, phrases, sentences, these are the elements of each other, and they are properly organized according to grammatical rule, and that is why language is systematic. Let us understand with the examples. In this picture you see there are two sentences, one in Marathi and one in English. Now in English the sentence is a cat killed a rat, and the organization of this sentence is subject plus verb and object. On the contrary, in Marathi sentence मांजराने उंदराला मारले, the organization of this sentence is subject, object or verb. Now this is the change. Here is object in between, and here is the object at the end of sentence. Now we cannot say that this sentence is wrong, because it is not according to the rule of English language, because Marathi has its own system, its own way of getting organized, and that is why this sentence is proper, right or correct. If we try to change the order of these words, for example मारले उंदराला मांजराने, commonly this won't be understood, because the expected sentence by the listeners is मांजराने उंदराला मारले. Now this could happen only in poetry, because we allow poets certain deviations, but in general speaking, in general way, this sentence is not accepted. Similarly, this organization takes place at the sentence level. Similarly, if we go on speech sound level, that is the phoneme, we also see that there is proper organization. Now take this word killed. Now in this word there are k, e, l, a, d. These are speech sounds which are used and combined to make this word. Now they are arranged in proper way. That is why the ki, that is the key, this syllable formed, and the, this syllable is formed, and after phoneme syllable the words is formed killed. Now if suppose that if we change this k sound into m sound, the word will be milled, and that has different meaning. Similarly, if in the word cat and rat, if we exchange this k and r sound, the sentence will be a rat killed a cat, and that won't be accepted. So there is certain way, certain rule that govern this whole organization, and because of that the elements of language work within that language. So this can also happen in Marathi also. If you take this word marle, you will see that this is the combination of swar and vyanjan, m, a, r, a, l, a. These swar and vyanjan are combined to make the word marale. If we change this word or this m and a into k and a, it would ka rale, and the whole sentence, the whole meaning of that word would be changed. That is why in each language there is a certain way of the elements of that language organized, and this organization, this structure makes the language systematic. Thank you.